What's up everyone, do you need to replace the speakers on your Alienware m16 R1? Well, I'm going to show you how to swap it out. Also, if you need parts for this or anything else, you can check us out here to find yours. Alright, now that that's out of the way, let's go. First, we'll unscrew the bottom base cover. I used a Phillips number 0, yes we got those. Next, carefully unsnap and pry it apart. Then disconnect the battery connector. After that, we'll unscrew and remove the battery. Now all you have to do is disconnect and remove the speakers. The reassembly of your laptop is as easy as following these steps in reverse. If you still need help, you can visit partspeople.com and view printable DIY instructions with images to help you along the way. We also have playlists of thousands of Dell tutorials for hundreds of different models, so keep checking back. Thanks for watching.